Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'll be making Konnyaku Dengaku. This traditional Japanese dish features konnyaku topped with a tasty miso sauce. It's savory and slightly sweet that makes it great for a side dish or snack. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1 block of konnyaku. For the miso glaze, 2 tablespoons of miso paste, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin. Step 1. Make lattice-like cuts on the surface of the konnyaku block. Then cut it into 6 pieces. Thread them onto skewers. Step 2. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the konnyaku and boil for 2 minutes. Drain the konnyaku and pat it dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Step 3. Combine the miso paste, sugar, mirin, and sake in a small saucepan. Cook over medium heat until the sauce thickens slightly, about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the konnyaku to a serving plate and pour the miso glaze over them. I hope you will enjoy this tasty Konnyaku Dengaku. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.